Hey, welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. So today we've made keys. We've got two keys made for this Hilux 2019, I believe it is. So we've got two flip key remotes. We'll just try that in the actual door lock itself. Unlock and unlock. We'll try the other one. That's it. Try the remote. Lock. Key in the ignition. Let's start it. Foot on the clutch. There's one. We'll just put this one back down there. Try the other one. So we'll just lock the door. Unlock the door. Just so we know 100% the mobiliser is actually active. That in there. Clutch in. There we have it. So if you've lost your keys to a Toyota Hilux, just give us a call and you're in Brisbane, and we can give you one of these nice flip key remotes. It has a very good key ring on it, and it's very fancy new kind of remote. 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.